I just ran from all the way over there to here. And just say, that was pretty hard. But it wasn't, because I have large waffle, like one fast, and for the last finger, I'm a kid. Big sword. I said Halloween store. Big Halloween store. From all kids are watching this. No, I'm a kid, but more kids are watching this video. They might not know I'm looking like I'm going to church. Well, I'm not going to church today. I'm going to church when I wake up. But today, I just want you to see this. That's all I have to tell you about. Is this. I have two swords, but it was totally just the same. And there's my gun. There's my Nerf gun right there. And upstairs is up there, but you can't see it. Because it's a secret. Can't see it.
Up hitting that wall.
Can't see it.
Are you going back outside?
Yep. That's all I have to tell you. Matt out. Here you go. You might be saying to yourself, why do I have a sword? Because I just feel like having a sword. And why is this? And why? And you might be saying, this fake sword, and this nose bullet, and I'm trying to cause the nose bullet for some reason. It's not going to work because it's made of, because this is plastic. It's made out of rubber. I know this, but
What is that?
it's salon.
It has to be put together.
Yep. Thanks, my mom. Stupid.
Whoa. Can you take it out? What is it? Let's see. It's
See.
called Glitzy Dots. It has fruity, fun scents in it. Does it smell fruity?
It doesn't smell like fruity anymore. It does a little bit. I'm trying to get it out.
It's stuck in there.
Mm-hmm.
Pull it out.
My mom
Like this, look. See? Do that. Get it out.
That's so slippery. Okay, good. I'm gonna get it out. Okay. Get it out of can.
Ooh. Oh, wow. It's coming all the way out. Look at there.
Big chunk.
Wow. Whoa. Whoa. God. What does it feel like?
It feels like sticky, gooey, and slimy.
Is there some more in here?
Yeah.
Wow, so you picked up all of these little beads. Now, so up under at the bottom, pull it. It's just total slime. Look at that.
Look at the slime. Right here. Feel it with my hand.
Oh. Gosh. Look at it. Whoa. Whoa, it's never ending. It's never ending. I guess we got to wipe that off, huh? We have to wipe that off.
Oh, this is sticky.
You hear it? It go. Oh, I hear it. So what do you do with it? Just, it's with foam, beads, glitzy. Oh, they say you can put it all together and it can end up being like that.
What?
Like that. But it's so sticky. Maybe we could put some more liquid in it, like we could put saline. Oh, you're doing it. Oh, you're doing it. Look at it.
Oh no. Looks like a tightrope. This little bitty part looks like a tightrope.
Oh yeah, tightrope.
Tightrope just died.
Ooh.
But you would be suffering in pain. Wouldn't having this on your hand.
I don't know. Is that satisfying or no?
Satisfying.
Or is it too sticky?
It's satisfying. Would you ever have this on you? Would you rather have this on your hand? Or would you rather be in jail? Which one?
Have that on my hands. I don't ever want to go to jail. Never.
So hard to get off and you can't move. Would you rather buy some toys or buy this?
Probably buy some toys.
Why?
What about you?
Buy some toys. I'm asking you why would you buy some toys?
I don't want this sticky stuff out on my hands all day. You have to put some more saline in it or something to make it better.